Are you really getting the most out of your Mac? macOS is designed to be user-friendly, but beneath the surface, there are powerful hidden features that can take your productivity to the next level. Let's dive into some incredible macOS tips and tricks that will transform how you use your Mac. First up, iPhone mirroring. No more running to another room to grab your phone. With macOS Sequoia, open the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac, enter your passcode, and instantly control your iPhone remotely. Next, picture-in-picture mode. Watch videos while working. Open Safari. Go to View. Select Enter Video Viewer. Then click the double arrow to enable picture-in-picture. Need to ask Siri something but don't want to speak aloud? Use Type to Siri. Enable it in accessibility settings. Set a keyboard shortcut and type away. Now, let's customize that menu bar. Head to System Preferences, Control Center, and add or remove options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or display settings for quick access. Want even faster navigation? Hot Corners is your answer. Go to Desktop and Dock Settings, click Hot Corners, and assign actions to each screen corner. Launch Notes, lock your Mac, or open Mission Control in Flash. For a game-changing way to browse files, use Quick Look. Just select a file in Finder and press the spacebar for an instant preview. Screenshot lovers. Did you know about the hidden screenshot toolbar? Press Command key plus Shift plus 5 to access advanced capture and recording options, from selecting specific areas to setting timers. Multitaskers. Split your screen with ease. Hover over the green full screen button on any window and choose to tile it left, right, or even top and bottom in macOS Sequoia. Or take it a step further with Stage Manager. Activate it in System Preferences to neatly organize open apps on the side of your screen for quick switching. If you rely on captions, macOS has you covered with real-time audio captions. Turn them on in accessibility settings and customize them to your liking. Typing the same phrases over and over? Save time with text shortcuts. Go to Keyboard Settings, click Text Replacements, and set up shortcuts that expand into full sentences automatically. Now, let's supercharge FaceTime calls. Use your iPhone as a webcam. Enable continuity camera in AirPlay and handoff settings. Then select your iPhone as a video source in FaceTime for high-quality video chats. Ready to personalize your Mac even further? Change those boring blue folder icons. Just copy any image. Right-click the folder. Select Get Info, click the icon, and paste. Bonus tip. Use Copy Subject in Photos or Safari to remove backgrounds effortlessly before setting custom folder icons. These hidden macOS features will not only make your workflow smoother, but also make using your Mac way more enjoyable. Try them out and let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech content. This is TechVerse, bringing you the best in tech, one video at a time.